Hi guys, again it's Friday. I feel like I only vlog to you Friday to Sunday because I actually only feel like that's necessary. Let's just address this one and this one. Okay, that's out the way, because I feel like Monday to Friday I'm just kind of walking to school and going to school and walking back from school and just doing my work. I don't really think there's much interest in. I don't really think that's interesting for you to see. But don't worry, everything I do feel like that's interesting, I'm gonna vlog for you. I just feel like that happens on weekend. I believe it's probably around 7 now. And I'm gonna head to Ikea because I need to pick up some stuff, because this weekend is a surprise baby shower for my friend, and have a little mooch, because who doesn't love Ikea? I love Ikea. Okay, let's go. Ni hao. 我要去 Ikea. How cute is this? You can actually buy muffin mix and just shake it, pour it, bake it, done. That is, someone just fell over. That is the most easiest muffin ever. Muffin max. I'm having such a hard decision to choose this one or this one. This one, this one. I'm not sure which one I should get. I'm gonna go for that one over there. That one, that one, that one, that one, that one. Just always feel the sizes are so different here. Not perfect fitting. That's annoying when you're in bed and all the bed gets tangled up in you. Ugh. Or it all comes undone. 150 by 200. I just feel back home it's like double, single, king size, but here it's like goes by measurements, and it's just not working for me. Taiwan, sorry, it's just not working. Please just say double, single, king size. That would make my life much easier. Thanks. Here can the me outside. Wait, I don't mean in Ikea, I mean just eat around here. Yeah. At the restaurant, or if you just want to go home, I'll just meet you at home. So yeah. It's up to you, whatever you want to do, try to eat here. But if you don't, I'll just meet you at home. Okay. Okay. Ha ha ha. Bye bye. Another massive love of mine in here is the candles. I just can't help myself when it comes to the candles. Just cannot help myself, and it's color coordinated. Bonus. Finished in Ikea. I'm just waiting for Sang. We're gonna go and eat something around here. I just stood there in the candy store for about 20 minutes picking out balloons so that the baby shower just had balloons. So sure, I feel bloody grateful. Guess what else I found? Oh my god, this is gonna be demolished. It's Dime. I don't really see Dime in the store, so I'm waiting here for him. So hopefully he will be here soon, because I'm starving. What do you always say? Did you cut this yourself?
Yeah, I cut it myself.
How is it?
So tough.
Go eat meatballs. I'm finally home, guys. After a really bad taxi ride, it was just a traffic jam. Making a little cute gift for the baby shower. These are little circles I cut, and then when people can sign their name. And then what I've done is I bought a frame from Ikea, and when they've done that, we just get the circles and kind of like stick them all up like it's a little balloon. There's a little keepsake, little baby Hamza. It's a busy day, so I'll be taking you. Good night. Cash deposit, right?
Yeah.
Go to Costco.
Off to Costco we go.
We need to buy a lot of food.
I ended up.
你好。
你好。
我要去 Costco。
那个 Costco 综合吗？
对。I want a hot dog.
2个热狗 ，You want hot dog？ 3个热狗。然后。
I'll just eat a hot dog.
对，这样比较好。
好，195。
There's nowhere to sit. Pokemon has just launched in Taiwan.
How long until someone dies on a highway?
Oh girl.
There's a Pokemon.
You get? Shall we play Pokemon?
Huh?
Shall we play Pokemon?
What Pokemon?
Pokemon.
What Pokemon?
Shall we play?
No.
Why?
So many people playing.
And we can go catch them all. Charizard! Wow! We're just talking about Pokemon.
Oh, Pokemon Go?
Did you get it?
Pokemon Go?
Yeah.
Is it here in Taiwan?
Yeah.
Just come to that for you.
No. For all my friends, you can't see them right now.
Wow! You can buy Pandora charms in here. Get out.
Yeah, I see the
Is it real?
yeah,
Shut up.
really.
I'm so over Pandora.
Costco sounds fake.
I'm over it.
And we've been watching the Suicide Squad.
I heard it was shit.
Really?
Freebies in Costco is a must, and everybody will get them.
Like movie night. Done. Sorted.
Oh, you're literally getting 44 packets of popcorn.
Yeah. We're done. We'll never have to play popcorn.
Oh, I want these ones. These are my ultimate favorite things in Costco. I want this one. I don't want this one. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. There's an invitation for my free Ritz. Yeah. I'm just getting the freebies go. Anyway, I'm going to find some free alcohol samples. Okay. 谢谢。
来说中文。
我也不知道，要喝喝看。
有啊，喝喝看。
I don't like ale.
人来参与，然后很多的观众。
Don't worry about that girl. That place is never like a 30-minute trip.
No.
It doesn't happen. Yes, we're going to eat with Sam's mum and dad. It's his birthday. Babe, we need to go that way.
Okay.
Ugh, I hate helmets. Like, it's just not sexy. Let's go, Mojo. my legs. What do you mean? Right? Because more streamlined. That's correct. If something is more smooth, you go faster. Pokemon on a scooter.
Every fucking where?
Introduce to your parents.
这是我爸爸，然后这是我妈妈，然后今天是他的生日，51岁的生日，然后这个是我弟弟。弯路。包。
看不到。1、2、3。
Epidemic. Yeah, it's everywhere.
Get it. Spin that shit, bitch. Get it.
Crazy.
Get it. Get it. Congratulations.
Good morning. It's Sunday. Today is the surprise baby shower. So in a bit of a rush, trying to get things ready, get myself ready. I need to go pick up balloons, I need to go pick up decorations, so I need to get moving. I'm gonna love you and leave you, and I'm sure the next time you're gonna see me, I'm gonna be preparing for the baby shower. It's in here? Oh yeah, there. The elevator. There's a party. These shops are like, they don't look like shops. Just like all in one building.
No.
Please take the rear elevator. That would help. Associated British foods. I'd have to go there. Oh.
You said your phone silence?
Yeah, it's gonna be on silent. But when you call the card and then put it down, we just need to get tourists right now. Okay. With all these balloons. It's been a rush. And I'm hungry. Okay. We're ready.
It's a baby shower.
Are you so surprised even though the surprise? I'm like, I could shake you. How is this house actually like? I literally was at the house and I know. How much does it cost? Full like a half an hour. Thank you very much, thank you for everybody being here. It was a really big surprise. I really appreciate it, especially especially not being home and having this is really home away from home, and it wouldn't be the same if you guys were not here. Thank you very much.
I'll never.
She cried, yeah. I didn't cry.
And just so you know,
really hard.
it's those two ladies over there.
Thank you very much, really. To everybody. Everything is so overwhelming, and it's really great to know that I have a support system, essentially, is what I'm saying. Thank you very much.
Oh.
Yay!